Alright, what's up everyone? So I'm back at the BMW. I put on this new strut bar thing to see how far it's off, and this is how far. So like I said, about an inch. So I'm gonna have to take all this off, put something on here and pull it out. This, like I said, is getting drilled out. This piece is gonna get straightened out, and then I also have a new core support that I'm gonna try on, see how bad everything is, because these frame rails should be straight. So we will see how how everything is. So I'm gonna go get the new core support out and we'll try it on. Alright, so here's the new core support, here's the old one. Massive difference, right? This one's messed up. I'm just gonna switch over the hardware from this one to this one. So I'm just gonna throw over the stuff and yeah, be back. Okay, so bad news. Tried putting this on first, to test that out, see how everything fits. And yeah, this frame rail is about, I'd say, half an inch off. So yeah, about half an inch off. Pretty sure it's this one, because that's where this sided back happened. So it makes sense if this got pushed in. So I'll just pull that out real quick and yeah, put the core support back on and make sure it fits. So let's hook it all up with our setup here, trees, and then I want to be pulling off that thing. So I'm gonna hook it up, pull it, put the core support in. Yep. So all right, so here's my setup for moving the frame. Just got the old piece of the frame rail, hooked it up to this thing, and the car's tied up on this side. So let's try pulling that and seeing if it works. Okay, so after I pulled that left frame rail, I put the core support on. Here it is. I'm just gonna throw over the rest of the sensors and all that that's left on that other one, and then I already have the radio and the condenser and stuff. I just have to wait for the fan to get here, then I'll throw it all on together. And then I also need to get the intercooler, and then basically that's gonna be all the mechanical stuff done, except those control arms. I already put one on, and then I have one in the trunk, so I'm probably gonna do this. I'm gonna take off the wheel, take it to a place, like a gas station, to fill it up, see if it even holds air or not. And yeah, so basically right now I'm just gonna throw over all the little stuff onto this one, and then this frame is really close to where it's supposed to be. And then as I showed, this is about an inch off. So actually, while I'm gonna be doing the control arms, I'm gonna take all this off. I'm gonna try doing it by just putting a piece of metal here and then pulling this whole thing and see if that works. And then if it doesn't work, we'll just take everything off and then do some much beefier setup. But yeah, for now let's just do that. Okay, so I have my drill with the spot weld bit on it, and then I'm just gonna go around these like dots and drill them out. These dots, those are spot welds. Drill those out, take this off, and then pull the frame to here, you know, to make it all align. Same with that side, it needs to get pulled a little bit, the other side, but that's not really a big deal. And then we're gonna lift the car and then add some transmission fluid in there, because I started it and all the transmission fluid just shot out. But for now, let's get this done. Okay, so far I got like a few spot welds here out, and the ones that I'm really worried about are the ones up here and the ones in these bent spots, because those are going to be the worst part about all this. And I have to drill out every single one all the way up into this seam, and then I'll start straightening, and then I'll take this out, obviously. But the areas over like right here, these kinks, there's still a spot weld there. Actually, never mind, nope, cracked open. But some areas is still holding on, so I'm gonna have to drill that out. It's gonna be a bitch. So let's keep going. Okay, so after about like an hour of drilling out these spot welds, I got about this far, bent this back. It looks like it's pretty straight on the inside, but I'll straighten it out even more. But got these out. I'm gonna have to clear this out and then finish drilling out them out here. I'll just take this all off. Then we'll be pulling the frame. But yeah, this is really time consuming and annoying because it keeps slipping and flying off the thing where I'm trying to drill. But yeah, keep going. Okay, so I got like all the spot welds out except these two that are jammed up in like the worst position. So then I tried hooking it up and just pulling it off, but damn, these two spot welds, god damn, everything else came out good. Got all this, drilled it all out, it's coming out, but these fucks right here being annoying. Well, I'm gonna keep messing with it. Hopefully I can take it off. And then I guess I am gonna replace this piece because I don't like it. It's too crinkled. As you can see it. Like, if it was something that was hidden, I'd probably straighten it out good, but like you'll be able to see it on this side. So I'll just replace it. And boom. Got it off. It just kinda flew off. Those welds snapped. I don't have I have a tripod, but can't record on it because no one's here and the wrong thing on the end, so I couldn't get that. But yeah, this is pretty bad, this area, but this is underneath, so I could really like kind of care less. This is gonna get replaced most definitely. It's way too messed up to get in the car. But this, I'm gonna have to work with this. This is straight, but I want to try putting something on here right now. Maybe even that piece, actually, now that I think about it. This old piece, put it on, then try to pull this out, see if it works or not. But we'll see. So I'm just gonna bolt this on, try to pull it. Okay, so this is my setup. Just hooked it up right here. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna try pulling it. Oh, that's what happens. Thank God it was a piece of metal that snapped. Not like anything important. Whew, scared me. There. Yeah, it's not really working. Gonna have to find like a better, thicker piece of metal to bolt onto these two, and then pull it. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today or not, but I was gonna lift the car up and add some transmission fluid because I disconnected the transmission fluid thing, tube, and it just all shot out and the car's not driving. And then it can ruin your transmission if you just run it without, obviously, and the car won't even drive. Okay, so it started raining, so I'm done for today because I'm not trying to get wet and get all my tools wet. So I'm just gonna clean up real quick and probably come back tomorrow and finish up tomorrow. Okay, so we're gonna be done for today. We a little bit tried straightening out the hood, tried jumping on it, so it actually covers. But the progress today is just put the core support basically on, threw everything over, switched the locks, and just made everything fit, did a little bit of framework. Tomorrow I'm gonna just basically focus on that side in the next episode and probably put in the radiator and the condenser and all that stuff. So yeah, but for today it's gonna be done. Alright, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, you know, to show some support for me. So see you guys next episode.